Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Fifth Third Bank app fast access step by step clearly. To begin, locate the Fifth Third Bank app on your mobile device. Tap the app icon to open it. You will see the login screen once the app loads. Enter your username in the designated field. Make sure to check for any typos as you type. Next, input your password in the password field. Ensure your password is entered correctly, paying attention to capitalization. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the Forgot Username Password link. Follow the prompts to recover your login information. Once your username and password are entered, look for the Login button. Tap the Login button to proceed. If you have enabled biometric login, you can use your fingerprint or face recognition. To enable this feature, go to the app settings after logging in. If your login is successful, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with your account features. In case of login issues, check your internet connection and try again. For security purposes, log out after you're done using the app. To log out, tap on the menu icon and select Log Out. This completes your login process for the Fifth Third Bank app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.